The director of the program contacted us and asked us to create an activity for 300 delegates from several countries of the world. And the challenge was to get them to talk to each other as fast as possible in networking. So Tony and I got together and we created this game that within an hour these people will be speaking to one another in a very comfortable way.
This is a very dynamic game, full of energy, and we created it with 3 aims in mind. The first is to get people outside their comfort zones and to get people talking to people they wouldn't normally talk to in their everyday social interactions. The second was to get people to start to think about their strategies. We all have strategies for networking, and we wanted people to start to think about what goes on in their mind when they approach people, when people approach them. And the third, and probably the most fun element, is to dispel the myth that networking is just for the extroverts. We created this game to involve everyone.